Hey, how's it going? I just got a package today, so we're going to do a quick unboxing. This is a haptic coin from a company called CooYoo. Yep. So let's go ahead and open it up. I'm excited for this because it is superconductor material. Got some spare parts there. There it is. Nothing underneath. Yeah. Okay. That is beautiful. Let's open it up real quick. Alright, let's grab something. Grab a little cloth to wipe it down. A little bit of oil in there. Nothing wrong with that, but I just want to make sure everything's nice and clean. Yeah, okay. A little bit of dirt right there. Beautiful. Very smooth. I might give it an etch. I haven't decided. I'll put on screen here some examples of different depths of etching and stuff like that. And tell me what you think. If I should etch it at all, leave it. And if you think I should etch it, what kind of etch out of the ones on the screen here? Yeah, that's got a good click to it. Not too loud. If you need to do it quietly, obviously you can do that. But it feels real nice in the hand. It's not super heavy, but it's like solid feeling. About 37 millimeters wide or in diameter. And 10.2 millimeters wide. Deep, thick, whatever you want to say. I like it. Initial impressions are good. I'm gonna use this for a bit. I'll update you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in another one.